What's up, everybody? It's Money Mindset. Are you ready to supercharge your savings and hit $7,500 faster than you ever thought possible? We're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about taking control of your money and making 2025 your most financially successful year yet. In this video, I'm sharing proven tips that'll transform your financial habits and help you save big, starting today. No more excuses, no more procrastination. Let's dive into these 7 actionable steps and make it happen. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of building a strong savings game. The first step is to understand the importance of saving money consistently. It's not just about putting away a few dollars here and there. It's about creating a habit that will benefit you in the long run. We're talking about automation, people. Automation is the key to making saving money effortless and consistent. By setting up automatic transfers, you remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Think of it like this. You set it and forget it. Once you set up an automatic transfer, you don't have to think about it again. The money moves from your checking account to your savings account without you lifting a finger. Every time that paycheck hits your account, a portion of it automatically goes straight to your savings. This way, you're consistently building your savings without even realizing it. Out of sight, out of mind, and completely painless. You won't miss the money because you never had a chance to spend it. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're saving regularly. We're not talking about chump change here either. Even small amounts can add up over time. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Aim for at least $300 per paycheck. It might seem like a lot, but it's a manageable goal if you make a few adjustments to your spending habits. I know, that might sound like a lot, but trust me, you've got this. Start by evaluating your current expenses and see where you can cut back. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by making small changes. Remember that gym membership you never use? Cancel it and put that money towards your savings instead. It's all about prioritizing your financial goals. Or that streaming service you barely watch. Cutting out unnecessary expenses can free up more money for your savings. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial priorities. That's $300 right there. By eliminating just a few non-essential expenses, you can easily reach your savings goal. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. By automating your savings, you're taking control of your financial future and setting yourself up for success. Start today and watch your savings grow effortlessly. Let's be real, we've all been there. You sign up for a free trial and then completely forget about it. Next thing you know, bam, you're hit with a monthly charge for something you don't even use. It's time to take back control. Grab your bank statements, your phone, whatever you need to do, and make a list of every single subscription you're paying for. Streaming services, music apps, gym memberships, the whole 9 yards. Now, be honest with yourself. Which ones do you actually use and value? And which ones are just draining your bank account? It's time to cut the cord on those money-sucking vampires and redirect that cash flow straight into your savings account. We've all been there. You're casually scrolling through your favorite online store or social media feed, and suddenly, something catches your eye. You're scrolling online and suddenly you see it. The most amazing pair of shoes, the latest tech gadget, that must-have kitchen appliance. It's like it was made just for you. You're hit with this overwhelming urge to buy it right now. Your heart races, your palms get sweaty, and you can already imagine how great it will feel to own it. But hold on, my friend, that's your impulse talking. It's that little voice in your head that convinces you that you need it immediately, without considering the consequences. Before you click that add to cart button, I want you to take a deep breath and embrace the 30-day rule. This simple strategy can save you from countless regretful purchases. Here's how it works. Whenever you're tempted to make a purchase over $50, force yourself to wait 30 days. Write it down in a notebook or on a sticky note. Mark the date on your calendar and make a note of the item you want to buy. This gives you time to think about whether you really need it or if it's just a fleeting desire. Put it on a vision board if you have one. This way you can see it every day and evaluate if it still holds the same appeal after some time has passed. Whatever method you choose, the key is to give yourself a cooling-off period. This helps you separate your wants from your needs. Chances are, after those 30 days, that burning desire will have fizzled out. You'll realize that you didn't really need that item as much as you thought you did. And if it hasn't, well, then maybe it's something you truly need and value. In that case, you can make the purchase with confidence, knowing it's a well-considered decision. But more often than not, you'll be amazed at how much money you save by simply avoiding those impulsive splurges. Over time, these savings can add up significantly, allowing you to invest in things that truly matter to you. So next time you're tempted by an impulse buy, remember the 30-day rule and give yourself the gift of thoughtful spending. Who says you can't have your dream job and make extra cash on the side? In today's world, it's more possible than ever to balance a fulfilling career with a profitable side hustle. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just have some extra spending money, there's a side hustle out there for you. The gig economy is booming, my friends, and there are endless opportunities to turn your skills and passions into a lucrative side hustle. From driving for ride-sharing services to delivering food, the options are vast and varied. You can even find gigs that align perfectly with your interests and talents. Freelancing is a great option if you've got writing, design, or marketing skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients from all over the world. You can set your own rates, choose your projects, and work from the comfort of your home. Imagine getting paid to do what you love on your own schedule. Online surveys and testing websites are an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. It's a simple and flexible way to make money without any special skills or experience. And if you're a natural-born salesperson, why not declutter your home and sell those gently used clothes, electronics, or furniture online? Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to reach a wide audience and turn your unwanted items into cash. Plus, you'll be creating a more organized and clutter-free living space. Remember, every little bit adds up. Even small amounts of extra income can make a big difference over time. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, building an emergency fund, or planning a special treat for yourself, those extra dollars can help you reach your financial goals faster. Earning an extra $500 a month from a side hustle could fast-track your $7,500 savings goal in no time. Think about the possibilities: paying off debt, investing in your future, or even taking that dream vacation. The power of a side hustle is in your hands, so why not start today and see where it can take you? Let's talk about food, people. Specifically, how much money we waste on takeout and restaurant meals. I get it, life gets busy, and sometimes it's just easier to order in. But trust me, mastering the art of meal prepping will not only save you a ton of money, but it will also improve your health and give you more control over your diet. Spend a few hours on the weekend planning and preparing your meals for the week. Think big batch recipes, pre-chopped veggies, and grab-and-go lunches. Not only will you be less tempted to order takeout, but you'll also be amazed at how much cheaper it is to cook at home. Let's be honest, we all have stuff in our homes that we don't use, need, or even want anymore. Clothes that haven't fit in years, gadgets collecting dust in drawers, books we've already read. It's time to turn that clutter into cash. Have a yard sale, list items on online marketplaces, or take advantage of consignment shops. Not only will you declutter your space and simplify your life, but you'll also be putting extra money back in your pocket. One person's trash is another person's treasure, right? So let's turn those unused belongings into a treasure chest of savings. This is a game changer that most people overlook. Did you know that you can negotiate lower rates on your bills? That's right. Everything from your utilities and insurance premiums to your credit card interest rates is up for negotiation. The key is to be polite, persistent, and prepared to walk away if you're not getting the deal you deserve. Make a list of all your recurring bills and start making some calls. You might be surprised at how much money you can save by simply asking for a better rate. And there you have it. 7 powerful steps to save $7,500 fast. Which tip are you starting with today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Let's make 2025 the year we crush our financial goals.